Now is available at McCarthycars, Mercedes ML350 CDI diesel 4MATIC, 61 plate 2011, metallic black. Car has front fog lights, got front parking sensor, 21 AMG alloy wheels, it's got side steps, privacy rear glass, it's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor, electric tailgate. Car has split folding rear seats. Black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX joystick preparation, 4 electric window, electric mirror folding mirror, front auto headlights, electric seats. Car has satellite navigation. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, 6 CD changer. Two-zone air conditioning, heated seats, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, automatic transmission, cruise control speed limiter, thank you for watching.